Are you really using your Apple TV, or is it just a $150 paperweight sitting under your television? Most people plug it in, open Netflix, and stop there. But you're missing out on the Apple magic that makes this box the most powerful entertainment hub in the world. If you want to transform your living room into a high-tech cinema and master your device like a pro, you need to know these hidden gems. We aren't just talking about changing the wallpaper. We're talking about features that will actually change how you watch TV forever. The first thing you have to master is the Siri remote. Most people think it's just for searching for movies, but it's much smarter than that. Have you ever been watching a high-stakes thriller and a character whispers a crucial plot point that you just can't hear? Instead of fumbling with the rewind bar, just ask Siri, "What did he say?" Your Apple TV will automatically jump back 10 seconds and temporarily turn on the subtitles. Once you've caught the dialogue, the subtitles disappear on their own. It is a seamless experience that solves one of the biggest frustrations in modern streaming. If you struggle with hearing voices over loud explosions or heavy background music, you need to turn on the Enhanced Dialogue feature. Apple uses computational audio and machine learning to pull the human voice forward while keeping the background noise in check. This works whether you're using your TV speakers, a soundbar, or even your AirPods. Speaking of AirPods, the integration here is flawless. If you want to watch a late-night action movie without waking up the entire house, just pop in your AirPods. You can quickly switch the audio output by holding the home button. It's private, immersive, and takes 2 seconds to set up. Apple has also introduced a feature called Insight, which is a total game-changer for movie buffs. If you're watching an Apple original, you can pull up the controls to see exactly which actors are on screen at that moment. It even identifies the song playing in the background and lets you add it to your Apple Music library instantly. You no longer have to pull out your phone to use Shazam or search IMDb. If you do have your iPhone nearby, all that information pops up right in the palm of your hand, making the experience even more interactive. Multitasking on a TV used to be impossible, but not anymore. With picture-in-picture mode, you can keep a live sports game running in the corner of your screen while you browse for a movie or catch up on the news. To manage your apps, just double-tap the TV button. This brings up the app switcher, just like on iPhone. If an app is acting glitchy or feeling sluggish, you can swipe up to kill the process and keep your system running lightning fast. And if you ever find yourself buried deep inside an app menu, don't keep clicking the back button. Just press and hold the back or menu button once, and you'll fly straight back to the home screen. One of the most underrated features is color calibration. Most TVs come out of the box with colors that look a bit blue or unnatural. You can fix this using your iPhone. Go to your settings, select video and audio, and find color balance. All you have to do is hold your iPhone's front camera up to the TV screen. The Apple TV will flash a series of colors, and your phone will tell the TV how to adjust its output for the most color-accurate picture possible. It's like getting a professional TV calibration for free. Typing on a TV is usually a nightmare, but you have options. You can change your keyboard layout to a grid view in the settings, which is much faster than the standard long line of letters. Even better, just use Siri to dictate your passwords or search terms. But the best way is the continuity keyboard. If your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi, a notification will pop up on your phone the moment you click a search bar on the TV. You can type the password on your phone's keyboard, and it appears on the TV instantly. To make your home screen feel more personal, use the Up Next hack. By default, the top row of your Apple TV shows random suggestions. Go into your app settings for the TV app and change the top shelf setting to Up Next. Now, the shows you are actually watching will appear right at the top, allowing you to jump back into your binge watch with one click. You can also customize those famous aerial screensavers. If you hate the underwater ones but love the cityscapes, you can tell the Apple TV exactly what to show. You can even use your own iCloud photo library to turn your TV into a giant digital picture frame when you aren't watching anything. For those who want a specific aesthetic, I highly recommend switching the appearance to dark mode permanently. It looks sleek, premium, and is much easier on the eyes at night. If you have kids, don't forget the parental controls. You can set a pin to lock down specific apps or age ratings, so you never have to worry about what the little ones are clicking on. The ecosystem benefits don't stop there. AirPlay allows you to throw photos or videos from your phone to the big screen in high quality. If you lose your remote in the couch cushions, you can use the Find My app on your iPhone to track it down. Your phone will lead you right to it with a proximity sensor. You can even use FaceTime on your Apple TV now. By using your iPhone as a wireless camera, you can see your friends and family on the biggest screen in your house, making those long-distance calls feel much more personal. In my honest opinion, the Apple TV 4K is the best streaming device on the market because it doesn't treat you like a product. There are no annoying banner ads for random products. The interface is butter smooth, and the privacy is top tier. It turns a dumb TV into a genius one. If you use even half of these tips, your user experience will go from basic to elite. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to level up your tech game.